What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Ondo. Wanted to do a bit of an update on this. I haven't covered it in a couple of days at the very least. Maybe I haven't even covered it in the last week. But what we saw yesterday is that the RWA narrative started to do quite well. Alright, that's also what you can see right here, or at least hopefully you can. Yeah, so you see a coin like Ondo at the very least here, a VeChain a little bit, but you can also see, if you looked at some others, like RSR did quite well, Token started to be relatively bullish, that you can see right here. And the RWA narrative in general is one of the strongest narratives in crypto right now, alright? So, just wanted to give you my thoughts on Ondo. Ondo fundamentally is also, I think, the best RWA project, even though, I mean, it's valued quite high, right? I mean, right now, the market cap for Ondo is about $1.4 billion. The total value locked is still growing. That's around $560 million. So fundamentally, it's good. You could argue that the valuation is on the high side, but still, all right, good project. Wanted to cover it. Think it has potential. So let's get right into it. Excuse me. So what you can see right now, first of all, if you zoom out, Ondo has been bearish for quite some time now. All right, and that's what you can see right here. Basically, after those highs we made at the start of June, together with the entire market, of course, but Ondo has been relatively weak. And you can also see the sentiment has been very, very bearish, at least since the beginning of July. We had some short-term bullish momentum right here, the 1st of July, but then very, very quickly it turned. And the last time we were really sustainably bullish was back in May. So we've been bearish for a while now, and on the 4-hour time frame, I would still say that we are bearish. All right, so to really turn bullish here, what we would need to do is, I think we would need to break above 1.05 or 1.1 maybe even, and hold those levels to at least technically turn bullish. So do I think that's possible? I don't know. All right, it's too hard to say at this point of time. But what you can see on the 1-hour time frame is that we are forming some sort of a short-term bullish structure. And that's interesting, all right? Especially when you see the entire narrative, the entire RWA narrative. So also a coin like RSR was also showing some potential, and also a coin like PolyX or Polymesh, whatever you know it as. The whole narrative started to rally, so that brings potential. Now, for me, the main level that we still need to break above, because the momentum is also there, all right? We had a bit of a pump and dump in the night, but that was across the markets. But you can see we gained a ton of momentum yesterday. Also short positions, but most were long positions. And then over the course of this morning, and then also earlier last night, we gained quite a lot of momentum right here. And this is the first time in a while we actually gained momentum. The last time we gained momentum like this was when we started crashing right here, the 7th of July. So that's good to see. We have momentum. Short-term structure is bullish. For me, the only thing we still need to really confirm that we're going up to 1.05 and 1.1, those would be my price targets, is some sort of a breakout. All right, now preferably I would say $1.02 would need to break. But I would say breaking above 1.01 or maybe even $1 would be enough with the momentum we have right now. And I would say, if we look at the short-term market structure, if we look at Bitcoin right here, I would say it's most likely that we are going to continue like this. So something like this would be my most likely scenario. I would say if you want to trade this, like I said, wait for the breakout. And today we also have some major economic news for Bitcoin. So this is dependent on Bitcoin. All right, if Bitcoin all of a sudden starts crashing back down below 57,000, then this will not happen. All right, then, I mean, a narrative is good. A narrative is interesting, but a narrative can only last if the market allows it. All right, and otherwise, if Bitcoin turns bearish again in the next 24 hours, which is a possibility, we'll just do something like this. But for now, this is what I think is most likely. Those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.